हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग, हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग, ओ साथी चल मुझे लेके साथ चल तू, संभल मेरे साथ चल तू, ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू, ओ साथी चल। अब तो ये मौसम है बड़ा सुहाना, पा 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 हा हा। Namaste. Welcome to shailaji.com and I'm Shaila Vasnath coming to the last video of this year, and this video is going to be a special one with lot of glimpses which had happened all through 2021. So let us start with the first glimpse of our photograph which we took on New Year. So let me start with that. 2021 was a wonderful year for me. Always we should take it positive, right? तो बहुत सालों के बाद, करीबन 30 या 33 साल, मतलब 30 और 33 years later, मैं अपने दोस्तों से मिली जो मेरे साथ कॉलेज में पढ़े थे. So they studied with me in college. I didn't meet them in between at all, but suddenly we got our numbers and we made a group and we met. After 33 long years, we all met in our college, Presidency College. We met where I studied, and it was a wonderful moment. We are 25 who met. We were 25 of us, and we met really, oh my God, we became like kids there. We went into all our classrooms, we went to the college, we stood in each place, and all our memories were so fresh, and we were like, we went back to our youth. So that moments I would like to share with you. So that was a wonderful moment for me. It was on 3rd January. So my year started so well. So on 14th, we celebrated Pongal in our school, Makara Sankranti, and that video I had already put to you. So that was a wonderful one in our school program. Followed by 26th January is a special day for me because it is my wedding day and also Republic Day. So 2 programs on the same day. So I completed my program in the school, and then my friends, the same friends of my college, they surprised me with a wonderful program. Oh my God, I was so thrilled. We went to a village. It is called Kosala Nagaram. We went there, and they all cooked for me and my husband, and they did so wonderful program. It was really it is again a memorable one. It was like getting married again, you know, putting mala, exchanging. बहुत अच्छा था वो भी मैं भूल नहीं सकती. यादगार, so memories, they have become memories for me. So watch those glimpses. Okay, I just showed you now about January. Now I will straight away jump to March, and I'm showing you glimpses, झलक. Okay, झलक दिखा रही हूँ. तो इसमें मार्च में मैं अपने पर्सनल और ऑफिशियल दोनों दिखा रही हूँ. तो ऑफिशियल में एक प्रोजेक्ट हुआ था मेरे स्कूल में. मेरे करस्पॉन्डेंट जो हैं बहुत अच्छे आदमी हैं, बहुत सोशल सर्विस करते हैं, सेवा भाव है उनमें. और पुलिस स्टेशन में वे एक ऑरो प्लांट का निर्माण करना चाहते थे. सो ही स्टार्टेड दैट देयर. ही स्टार्टेड एन ऑरो प्लांट इन पुलिस स्टेशन, एंड I have visited one or two times. I've met the police people. They come to my school. बहुत सारे पुलिस वालों के बच्चे मेरे स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं. All that fine. But this was an official visit to the police station. लेकिन मेरे दिमाग में ना sometimes crazy things come up. So I wanted to take a photograph in the cell. Don't you think it's crazy? Yes, I was so thrilled. I told the police guy, please, एक बार मुझे ना उस सेल में एक फ़ोटो निकालना है, please permit me. मैम, आपके लिए तो सब कुछ पक्का, he said. जाइए मैम, ले लीजिए. So I took one photograph there, standing inside the cell and holding the bars. Wow, it's so thrilling for me, and I will show you that pic. Same month, I had to go for a short trip. I went to a place. I've not visited much of Tamil Nadu. My friends, again, my college friends, they were going to a place in Tamil Nadu, Kumbakonam, and it is a place of temples. All around you have temples. So I thought, okay, for me, whether I go to a temple or anything, I like to explore. I like to enjoy going to places. So I went with my friends by car, and you won't imagine. In one day, I visited around 18 to 20 temples. My goodness, my friend, he's an excellent person in taking us for temples, and he's very much experienced in that. He took us. Oh my God, I got so tired. I said, no, Baba, नहीं चाहिए. फिर भी हम लोग गए थे. 20-25 टेम्पल शायद घूम के आए थे, and we stayed in a wonderful place, in my friend's place, and we enjoyed it. Some of the glimpses you too should enjoy. The fields and har jagah hariyali. Wonderful it was. So you too join with me to enjoy those pics. In the month of March, same thing, end of March, I got an opportunity to go to a school, and I had gone for an official visit there for practical exam, and at that time I met a person. She was a national awardee, Deepa, Mrs. Deepa. She was a national awardee, and I had done a video on that. So that was a wonderful moment to meet a national awardee, that too in my vicinity itself. So that was another wonderful moment, and I took some photographs of the beautiful garden inside that school, the way the children are bringing up the garden. So please do watch it. Next is June 4th, that is 4th June, 1 year celebration of my YouTube channel. So that I had done a video. It was the happiest moment when I reached 1 year and having such wonderful subscribers like you all. So thank you all for that, and I had done that video. Now coming to June, it's another special day. Why? Because in June it's my birthday and I'm getting old. So one more year added to my age, no? So yeah, I'm getting old. Never mind. But still we need to be positive that we can do so much with full of energy and zeal. So for my birthday, midnight, always I have a friend who surprises me every time, and that friend brought me a cake, and I cut that at 12, and it was really so happy. And more happiest thing was, always my husband is there with me, that's there, but then the happiest moment was I clicked a photograph with my mom, which is really, I don't know what to say, I don't know how to express it. I was so happy to take a photograph with her, and that photograph came out so well, and it's a memorable one for me. Followed by the next day, it didn't end with that. That is on my birthday. My friends came home and surprised me, and my husband, my friends all together. We had a wonderful lunch at my home. Then my students, my school students, my goodness, they told they are going to do something, a record, like I didn't know what it was. They said they are going to celebrate my birthday by putting my photograph in all areas of social media, whether it's Insta or Facebook and all that, and whichever social media I was trying to open, everywhere I could see my photograph. And they said, I don't know about all these things about technology and all that. They told me generally it happens with celebrities where they do that, and they say, and they did it for me, and that was a memorable one. Around 2,000 to 3,000 students, they spread my photograph by putting it in their DP. Really, their display picture was all through that day with my photograph, and I thought how loving children they are and how much they love me. Really, I was so blessed to have such kind of children and to wish me on that day. So that was again another memorable moment for me. Now let's go to the month of September. And when we talk about September, it is the month for teachers. It starts 5th September, Teachers' Day. Yes. And that regarding that Teachers' Day, I had done a video and I had shown you how we celebrated Teachers' Day by giving 100 awards to 100 gurus. Then after that, I had to go for a Teachers' Award function, which we had done in our cluster. That is our cluster, which consists of around 30 to 33 schools. So under that, so being the chairperson of that cluster, we had gone there, and I went to another school. They invited us there. It was hosted in that school, and there we gave awards for our teachers, and one of our teacher also was getting an award, and so that was a wonderful moment for the teacher and for me to give the award to her on stage. So that was a memorable event for me. Now coming to the month of October, it is a lot of puja and everything is there, Navratri and all that. So this year in our school, we did 5 days Brahmotsavam and for Lord Balaji, and it was a memorable moment for me because I have not attended such functions, but doing it in my school, organizing it, it was really very nice. And 5 days, morning and evening, we had it, and I felt we were really blessed to attend such Brahmotsavam, which we actually will be able to attend in Tirupati also. It's not possible for us to attend because with that mad rush and people, only few allowed and all that. But that same thing, we were able to have it here in school. So it was really wonderful moment for us, and just watch few glimpses of it. Okay, so leave apart the spiritual and the religious programs. Yeah, after maybe 2 years or more than that, I happened to go to a movie, and that was our James Bond's last movie, which released in the month of October, and really we enjoyed watching it in IMAX, and wonderful. It was an excellent moment for us watching there, leaving one chair in between and sitting and all that. Yeah, it was nice. So that was another experience after a long time. It's too windy actually. I'm standing on the 11th floor terrace, so it's too windy. Now, another important one, which is personal to me. I'm very happy actually. When as my son is abroad, he purchased a car, and that too Benz car. I've just heard about it, but he fulfilled his dreams to purchase one, and he purchased in the month of November, and that was a really to my heart actually very nice moment, because my son had achieved what he wanted to. My best wishes to him, and that was a memorable one for me. Now, to actually, I think this was the last program we had. We conducted a Relish Club competition in our school, and I think I have shown you that video. So that was a very nice one where we had parent, teacher and student as a team, and we did that. So that was a wonderful moment for us, because it was a new concept. So that also I was very happy to do it and call a YouTuber, and she also had a wonderful time with us. And to end this year, again I had a spiritual program. It was chanting of Vishnu Sahasranama, and that program we had done it, and our teachers and myself, we all were honored on stage. So that was a wonderful moment, and it was a privilege for us to end this year with a positive note. So that was a wonderful one, which we had it on 30th December. Okay, now this year, this is something official. This year, for our school, we had got upgradation to 11th and 12th for CBSE. Till now it was in state board, so now we moved on to CBSE, and that is a huge, I would say a big achievement, because our school is 40 years old school, but now this year we could get that. That is, we strived for it and we got it. So from coming academic year, we'll be having full and full CBSE stream. So that is a big achievement in my career. So I'm very happy about it. And for the coming year, I have a surprise for you. I'm standing in one place. I said I'm in the 11th floor, that is the terrace, open terrace. I'm standing here, and right behind me you can see a building there. It's a big huge building, only white paint done. It's a 14-story building. Now next year, that is 2022, I will be moving to that new home of mine. So that is a big dream home for me. I would rather say a Taj Mahal. What do you say? Yes. Yeah, that's a Taj Mahal for me. And every day from here, I would see my home getting ready there, and that is a dream come true. So I'll be moving there and I'll be doing my videos. So that's the last surprise I wanted to give you all. So that is it. I think I have shown you all my important official or personal events of 2021, the glimpses, jhalak mein dikhai thi. As the year is ending, I thought I would like to introduce a special person in my life, a person who's always behind the camera and who had been behind the camera for almost 1.5 years, 1.5 साल उसके पीछे ही खड़े थे. क्यों ना आज मैं उनको आपके सामने पेश करूं. So come join me today. I would like to introduce you.
Hi. Happy New Year.
Okay, so he is my hubby. He was behind me to start this YouTube channel, and he is my inspiration. And so many, I mean, 1.5 साल से मैं जो कुछ कर रही हूँ उनके वजह से कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है इसके लिए. तो आई डू लॉट ऑफ जैबरिंग, ब्लैबरिंग, टॉकिंग एंड ऑल. तो वो बहुत कम बात करते हैं, तो मैं बहुत हंसती हूँ, बहुत कम हंसते हैं. तो सब नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल जैसे हैं हम, फिर भी हार्ट मिलते हैं. और हमारे पीछे हमारा ड्रीम होम खड़ा है. I think I have introduced him. So maybe next year we will be taking lot of videos. शायद वो भी मेरे साथ आएंगे, तो थोड़ा बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस अगले साल ज़रूर करूँगी, और हिंदी को और क्या बहुत जन तक ले जाएंगे. तो जाने से पहले क्या करना है, नए साल की शुभकामनाएं. तो I hope you all enjoy your new year, and this video, I hope it will reach to many and you all will enjoy watching mine. I hope you have come till the end of this video. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel. वो जो bell button दिख रहा है ना, तो उसको दबाइए ताकि मेरे सारे videos आप तक पहुंच जाएंगे. तो with that, bye bye.
Once again, Happy New Year.
Yes, bye bye 2021. Let's enter 2022. Namaste.
Namaste. Bye.